Welcome back on the Astrology for Beginners, right? On the continuous videos. Today I'll be talking the difference between a Lagna chart, your birth chart, or your Navamsha chart, or your Chandra Kundli, right? So your Lagna is your body, right? Your, the physical body which is present in the universe or in the earth by which you do all the activities. The Moon Kundli, which is your mind, right? Your mind, whenever you feel like something you'll achieve, but it's not happening physically, right? That's Chandra Kundli. And the Sun Kundli is your soul, right? Which is inside, you are born with, right? Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you are looking for personal consultation, solutions, guidance, and remedies, see the description links and comments below. So I was talking on the Chandra Kundli versus Soul Kundli versus, the body, the Lagna chart, right? So basically, the body is getting affected. The body is in a trouble or in a crisis or in a big challenge or in a big happiness, right? So we need to focus on Lagna chart, not on the Moon Kundli, which is the mind, right? Mind, I can think I am the, the president of the world or the prime minister of the world, but that will not happen. That's not the reality, right? The reality is your body, what you do, your aspiration, your inspirations will help you to achieve in, prosperity or well-being in your life. And the soul is something internal, right? That's where your sun is placed, right? Your Navamsha. So soul and the body needs to be connected together. Mind also needs to be seen, but it's more about emotional things, more about sentimental things. So from henceforth, focus on the Lagna chart, your Dasha chart, Navamsha chart, your Bhav Chalit. If you want personal consultation, see the description links below. Have a nice day. Number one astrologer, Vaastu, Dr. Satya signing off. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also comment if you want to hear anything specific. I would love to talk about it. Thank you.